Good morning. I will be discussing in this video. This is our third special online video, special online class. I will be discussing third method of determining, or the fourth method of determining volume. Diba, kasi yung volume natin, yung I have discussion volume natin. Pag yung area is nakadikit yung sa, kung alam mo, for example, space. Kaya pag nakadikit sa axis yung area, it can be solved by either yung circular disc, di ba? Then we divide it into straight and then we rotate this about the axis and then form a disc. And then if we divide this into infinite number of discs, and then yung volume na is just the summation or the integral, let's say from B to A, from A to B, from 0 to B, x dy. This is pi x squared divided yung area nito. This is x. The area of this circle multiplied by the height, which is dy. So, ganun lang yung circular disc. Now, there are cases which, yung isa naman, diba, yung when the base is not, when the area is not within, diba, nandito yung area, good if we have, we can solve for this, and we have this, but if it is a similar, uh, if it is only a one curve, then we cannot use the washer. We use the other method. Diba pag washer yung, halimbawa, yung washer naman, as discussed, if we have this area, halimbawa, meron kang ganyan, tapos meron kang ganito. We want to determine the area, pwedeng volume, halimbawa, volume about here. So, ito lang yung strip natin. Tapos, this distance is yung x1, sabihin natin. Tapos yung this distance is x2. Therefore, itong disk natin, para siyang, kung iikot natin ito, we can form a washer na parang ganun siya. So, if this is a washer, we multiply this, of course, yung washer, alam mo yung washer, yung gamit sa bolt. So, this is dy. Of course, the volume of this is a hollow cylinder. It will be the volume of a hole as though there's no hole. And then, just subtract the whole volume. Ano yung volume niya? So, it will be pi x2 squared minus pi x1 squared multiplied by dy. So, we can solve for this volume. Yung sa labas lang. Wala yung halo. Halo, of course. Hindi kasama yan. So, ito yung volume natin. So, integrate natin since this is dy, from 0 to, let us call this b, from 0 to b. So, this is washer. Okay yan, pag dalawa yung curve natin, we'll define yung radius natin of one curve and another curve. Yung line natin, in this case, generally we call it curve. 1 degree, it's a line. Second degree, parabolic. Third degree, cubic. So, if we have only, let us say, ano ba, meron kang circle, at pag gano'n. So, yun. So, if we draw a strip, ganyan, so may harapan tayong iporma yung washer. Kasi ito, yung X niya is the same as yung X dito. Diba? Kasi yung X niya is from generally, this is uh, r squared minus x squared. Ito naman, the same. R squared minus x squared. So, mayroon pang gamitin yung washer. So, we have another method, yung shell method. Ano ba yung shell method? It's the same. Siya, parang, paano siya? Parang, diba, we have this area. Yung gagawin natin ay same strip. Yung strip natin is parallel sa axis of rotation. Tapos, we will compute the volume of this strip. Iikot natin yan. So, ang labas niyan ay parang ganyan. Okay? So, yung thickness niya, ito, yung thickness niya which is dx, ito, dx yan. Iikot natin, we can form a hollow cylinder. Okay, so, pag iikot natin yan dito, ikot natin yan, gano'n. So, we can form a cylinder for this strip only. Ayan. Now, if we draw another, yung sunod naman, yung sunod na strip niya dyan, tapos iikot natin yan, tapos dito naman, yung strip dito, iikot natin. Halos hanggang mapuno yan. Okay, up to here, yung last strip dito na yan. So, we can form now yung cylinder na parang gano'n. O yung volume na generated by this kasi ito naman kasali ito, di ba? So, ganyan yan. May iikot yan. Lahat to, iikot yan. Pero sa gitna, of course, kung paano ba natin gawin ito? Alam mo ito, parang ganun siya. Pag iikot natin ito, parang butas yan dito, di ba? Pero ito, parang donut. So, ganyan yan. Ganyan sa ilalim. Ito naman sa taas. So, parang papaganon yan. Pero dito sa ilalim, butas yan. Parang gulaman, parang ganyan. Okay, butas sa ilalim sa gitna. So, yan ang principle niya. So, iikot lang natin yung strip. And then, we compute the entire volume. Makakaporma na yun. So, i-clear natin So, let us say we have this, and then we choose a strip. Choose tayo ng strip. Ganyan. So, yung distance niya from here up to there, diba? This is always x. So, the perimeter or the circumference generated by this, itong pinaka-radius na ito, yung circumference niya, parang ganyan niya. This is equals to 2 pi x, okay, 2 pi r. And then, kung gusto natin kunin yung volume, di ba? We multiply this by the area, which is y, ito di ba? Y dx. Limit from 0, dito lang yung limit mo, from here up to here. From A to B. So whatever is the function here, this is function of x. Yan, the substitute. So lahat yan, pag dinivide mo ito sa infinite number of strips, tapos inikot mo yan, mapupuno na yan. Nabusan ako ng power. Okay, to make the the discussion clearer, let me derive again the volume sphere using cylindrical shell. So, i-dim natin muna yung isa. Okay, so assuming this is a quarter of a circle. Now, of course, yung equation natin ito, x squared plus y squared plus r squared is the equation of a circle. So we divide this into strip. Um, now the area of strip is y dx. Okay, so the volume using yung cylinder, ito naman yung radius yung circle, yung center na iikot natin pa ganun. So the radius is, or the circumference is defined by by 2 pi times, since this is from y-axis to that point, palagi ang we call that as our x, diba? So 2 pi x, this is the circumference ng circle na ito, defined by yung centroid of the strip, the area. So multiply by the area y dx. Yan. So this is now the differential volume. So kung gusto natin yung total volume, we divide this into infinite number of strip, and then we sum up, or we integrate from 0 to this is 0, of course, and this is r. So mapupuno yan, we can derive now half of the volume. So substituting values, we have now volume is equal to 0 to r, course yung 2 pi. Yung y natin is square root of r squared minus x squared dx. And we have still here x, so ganyan. So, this can be solved using the power formula, di ba? So, kulang lang natin yung negative 2. Diba? Kasi yung the derivative of this negative 2x dx, and we have x dx, so kulang. So, we balance it with negative 1/2. Therefore, yung volume now is equal to yung 2 pi, ilabas natin, divided by negative 2. So, we have now negative pi, the integral of this, which is equal to r squared minus x squared raised to, that is 1/2. Therefore, the power becomes 3/2. 3/2. Okay, limit from 0 to r. Okay, so all we do now is we substitute the limit, and we have now negative 2 pi over 3. So yung upper limit will be yung r dito sa r. So this becomes 0, diba? R squared minus r squared raised to 3/2 minus now yung lower limit, which is r squared minus 0 raised to 3/2. Yan. So, simplifying this, we have now negative 2/3 pi times, this is 0, and this is negative, yung r squared, yung 1/2 dito, yung square root will cancel out. So what will remain is r cubed. Therefore, this is negative r cubed. And further simplifying, this is now 2 pi r cubed over 3. Now this is just 1/2 of sphere, diba? kalahati lang kasi yung inikot natin, yung ito lang, quarter of a circle inikot natin. Yung sa baba, wala pa. Therefore, to complete now the derivation of the sphere, we multiply this. Volume now of sphere is we multiply this by 2 is 4/3 pi r cube. So the same way yung sa circular disc in which napakadali ng circular disc, diba? If this is our straight, pwede naman iikot natin ito dito. We can form half of the square then multiplied by 2. So, medyo review lang the volume using yung circular disc. Okay? Circular disc naman natin. Okay? So, the volume now is yung ito. Yung circle na generated by y. So, it will be 0 to r again. From 0 to r pi y squared dx. So yun lang. Napakadali, di ba? Yung circular disc. Then, substituting the values, we have 0 to r. And of course, yung y squared from here is r squared minus x squared dx. Then, integrating, we have now pi. We have r squared x minus x cubed over 3. So, if we substitute now yung limit, this is yung 0 na yung lower limit, di ba? Yung upper limit will be r cubed minus r cubed over 3. Yeah, so times pi. We have now 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3 pi r cubed. Same with here, so kalahati lang yan. So, if we multiply it by 2, you have derived now yung 4. Yung volume now of the sphere. Okay, so, ganyan lang yung principle ng shell method. So, you have an available method. Apat na, di ba? Yung papos naman na-explain ko naman yan. Kahit yung papos dito ngayon, ulitin lang natin yung papos. During, it is equals to the area. Actually, similar yung principle na gamit sa shell method is yung Pappos theorem. Inikot lang yung strip. In this case, kung gamitin natin yung Pappos theorem sa entire section, napakadali niya, di ba? Very direct naman yun. So, walang integration sa Pappos. Direkta siya. So, sa Pappos naman, ito yung total area na kasi doon sa integration, yung strip yung inikot natin, tapos in-integrate natin lahat. But in this case, lahat na yung area, iikot natin. Halimbawa, iikot natin dito. So, di ba yung centroid nito is 4r over 3 pi. Yan. So, yung circumference nito, same with yung sa shell, iikot natin ito. Ayan. Iikot natin ito pag ganyan. And the circumference of this, of course, is 2 pi. Yung radius natin ito, yung centroid na length. Okay, from here up to where it is the centroid 2 pi. So, 4r 3 pi. Okay, so 2 pi r. Yung circumference, 2 pi r. Multiplied now by the area. Ano yung area ng ito? Anong area nito? it is equal to, of course, 1/4 of the area of the circle. So, pi r squared over 4. So, since kalahati lang yung inikot natin, therefore we multiply this by. So, if we simplify this, yung 2 dito, 4 dito, magka-cancel out. Matitira yung 4, yung pi, we have 1 pi, yung r naman, r cubed. So, we have now derived 4 pi r cubed per third pi r cubed. So, even if you use yung shell method, yung circular disk, you use the Pappus theorem. Now, very advantageous yung Pappus theorem pag alam mo yung centroid saka yung area ng area ng okay, kung anong yung area na iikot mo, pag alam mo yung centroid saka yung area niya ay very very simple lang. Explain ko na yan dun sa second yata yun, sa first method. Okay, so solve pa tayo ng isa para medyo to clear now everything. Okay, halimbawa meron tayo baba yung parabola na ganyan. This is y equals to x squared, diba? X equals to square root of y. So, one value of y, we have two values of x. Tama tayo. One y, two values of x. Okay, so sabi natin na mag-drawing tayo ng isang line, x equals to 1 na lang para madali compute. Okay, assuming that we have a line, gamit kaya ako ng vertical para maganda yan. Okay, so sabihin natin this is x is equal to 1. Therefore, this is 1. Now, if x equals to 1, you substitute it there. Yung y mo is equal to 1. So, itong taas na to, this is also equal to 1. Diba? When x is 1, dito, substitute mo, y is plus 1. So, when x is 1, y is also equal to 1. Therefore, ito 1 din. Now, halimbawa, igamit tayo ng circulars. Halimbawa, lahat na halimbawa. So, halimbawa, the problem is, we will be asked to find the volume generated by this area as this area will be rotated about the x-axis. So, iikot natin ito. So, makaporma tayo ng parang ganito yung forma natin. Ganyan. Ayan, parang ganyan. Parang turutot. Okay, makuporma natin yan. Okay. So, dalawang method ang gamitin natin. Diba? Yung circular disc, saka yung shell. Tingnan natin, dapat pareho ang answer. Pag hindi pareho yan, ay naku, mali si sir. So, yung shell muna, okay, to check na yung shell muna, diba yung shell, dapat yung strip parallel sa axis of rotation. And what is our strip? Yung length niya. Of course, this is dy, walang problema dyan. Yung problema natin, yung length niya, parang length. Tapos, iikot natin ito pag ganon. Walang problema yung iikutan natin because this is equal to yung distance natin dito from x-axis to any point there is equal to y. Palagi yan. Diba? So, ang problema natin itong strip natin, ano ang haba niya? Kasi to determine the area of the strip, differential strip, we have to multiply the length and the height. So, ito yung length niya. Of course, yung length niya is defined by So, this is, itong distance na ito is 4. Itong distance na ito, this is x. X ng curve. Okay? Ito 1. This is 1. Therefore, yung length natin, this is 1 minus x nito, which is equal to the square root of y. Okay? Yung x. Solve from here. Ito nga. So, that is the length now. So, all we have to do now is to solve for the volume, differential volume, which is equal to, for the total volume now, from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So, yung circumference ng circle, naiikot natin yung center niya, okay, which is defined by 2 pi r. 2 pi, in this case, yung radius natin is y. So, multiplied by the area, yung area natin is 1 minus square root of y. And of course, this is dy. Okay, klaro yan. Yung length natin is 1. 1 ito, di ba? 1 minus x. Matitira ito sa may green, which is equal to, of course, yung x ng curve natin. Ito yung x ng curve, which is square root of y. So, we have this. All we have to do now is to integrate. Napakadali lang naman to integrate. 2 pi. This is, we multiply this inside y minus square root of y. Okay? No. This is square root of y times y is y 3 halves. Okay? Times dy. So, integral 0 to 1. So, we are ready now to integrate. And this is not equal to 2 pi. This is y squared over 2 minus 5 minus y to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. Limit from 0 to 1. So, plugging in the limit now, we have now 2 pi times, of course, 1 squared is 1 half minus ito naman 1 naman ito, y raised to 5 halves. 1 raised to 5 halves is 1, so this is ito, this will go up to 5th. Okay, so yan ang value niya. So, magkano ito? So, we have 2 pi. Of course, yung LCD niya is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Times 1 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. This is 4. Therefore, yung volume natin is so, cancel na lang ito. So, we have pi over 5. 1/5 of pi. Okay, so this is using yung shell method. Now, let us solve this using naman yung circular disk to check whether our computation is correct. So, our volume is pi over 5. Tandaan natin yan. I'm going to erase now these things. I will be using the same figure. Okay. Okay lang yan. Kahit i-erase ko. But okay lang i-erase ko to kasi You can review naman the video, di ba? So, using now yung circular disc just to check with our answer. So, I will be using now yung circular disc. So, di ba, pag circular disc, dapat kung ito yung axis of rotation, dapat perpendicular siya. So, in this case, ito yung strip natin, perpendicular dyan. Kanina, parallel yung sa shell. Ito naman, siya, perpendicular. Therefore, this is y dx. Okay, so the volume is equal to yung ito, ikot. Gagawa tayo ng circular disc. This is pi y squared multiplied by its thickness, which is dx. So, this is from 0 to 1. Kanina, di ba? From 0 to 1. Ito, 1 din ito, di ba? Kaya kanina, while it is dy, it is 0 to 1. Kasi 1 is to 1 yung limit natin. Along x-axis, 1. Along y-axis, 1. Kaya pareho yung limit niya. So, observe that we have different equation, but it will give us the same answer. So, this is 0 to 1. Labas natin yung pi. Yung y squared naman, di ba? This is equal to the square root of r squared minus x squared dx. So, teka muna. No. Wala nang square root. Kasi yung equation natin, di ba? X squared plus y squared equals to r squared. So, solving for y squared, ito, just transpose this to the right side of the equation. Therefore, we have now pi. So, we can readily integrate this. This is r squared x minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1. Teka muna. Mali si sir. This is not the circle, di ba? Ano ba yan? So, this is not our... Kaya pala, medyo kinakabahan na ako. So, this is y equals to x squared. Ayan. So, yung y natin, this is x to the, this is x squared dx. Okay, so ano ba yan? So, this is pi 0 to 1. We have x to the 4th dx. Then, ano na? Integrate, we have now pi x to the 5 over 5, limit from 0 to 1. And of course, this is pi over 5 volume. We have the same answer, diba? So, this is now yung parang last topic in the determination of volume using integration. So tomorrow we will be having a quiz tomorrow. Okay, so prepare for a quiz tomorrow. So you take your time, yung remaining time natin, you take that as mag-review na lang kayo yung from yung determination ng volume by apat yun. Circular disc, washer, yung Pappos theorem, saka yung Shell method. Okay, yung apat na yan, I'm going to test you tomorrow. But before we have our quiz or test, you may ask me a question about what we have discussed. Baka malabo because this is an online class. So baka malabo pa sa inyo. I will take some mga inquiries about what we have discussed in online tomorrow.